Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we are going to solve question number 2 of weekly contest 414. Maximize score of numbers in ranges. So in this problem you are given an array of integer start and an integer d representing n intervals. Okay, so start of I and start of I plus d is nothing but a range. Okay, so for this 6, this is going to be range. Okay, I can select any integer from 6 to 8. This is a simple meaning. For 0, this is going to be range 0 1 2. I can select any number. Okay, d is 2 now. So same way for 3. So you are asked to choose n integers where the ith integer must belong to the ith interval. The score of the chosen integers is defined as a minimum absolute difference between any two integers that have been chosen, and in the end we have to return the maximum possible score of the chosen integers. So let's understand this with an example. Okay, so this is our goal. We have to maximize the minimum absolute difference between selected numbers. Okay, so first each interval is defined by the start value and the value of d. So the intervals are, so interval 1 6. Okay, this is range 6 to 8, any number from 6 to 8. Interval 2 0 0 plus 2, so this is range any number from 0 to 2. Interval 3, this is the range, so any number from 3 to 5. Okay, so we need to select one number from each interval such that the minimum absolute difference between any two selected numbers is maximized. Okay, so first thing that we need to do here, we have to just sort our start array. So this is nothing but my index 0, index 1, index 2. Okay, I have sorted my start array. Okay, then we have to perform the binary search to find the maximum possible score, that is the minimum difference between any two selected numbers. So binary search. Okay, so left I am going to select the smallest possible score 0, and right is equal to this 6. I am going to add d value here. 6 plus 2 is 8. I am going to subtract the smallest score. Okay, so I will get 8 here. Okay, 6 plus 2 minus 0 8. So and also I'm going to create one result variable which is initialized as result equals 0, right? Then after that I am choosing this binary search group. So first we need to calculate the mid. Mid is equal to nothing but left plus right minus left divided by 2. Okay, so 4. So now we will check if it is possible to achieve a score of at least 4 by calling the can achieve score method. Okay, so this is a new method that I am going to create. So this is going to be our goal. We need to check if we can select numbers from each interval such that the minimum difference between them is at least 4. Okay, so this is my array, right? 0 3 6. Okay, so initially I am going to start from this one. So let's say this is my pre chosen. Okay, mid is 4. Okay, so now in this pre chosen, if I add my mid value, okay, so I will get 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. So then I will see if this 4 is achievable in this range. So in this range I can select any number from 3 to 5, right? So yes, this is achievable. 4 is achievable. So now after that, after 0 I have selected 4. Now after this 4 I have to select 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay, this is what I need to select. So I will see if 8 is possible in this range. 6, right? 6 to 8. Okay, I can select a number. So this is achievable, right? So here I will select 0 4 8. Okay, so this is what I'm going to select. So I'm doing the same thing here in this process. So for the second interval 3 and 5, we want to choose a number that is at least pre chosen plus mid. Okay, the closest number we can pick in this interval is 4, which is within the range 3 5. Okay, now for the third interval 6 8, we need to pick a number that is at least 4 is pre-chosen plus 4. Okay, mid 8. The closest number we can pick is in this interval is 8, which is within the range, right? Since we successfully chose numbers 0 4 8 with a minimum difference of 4, the function returns true. Okay, so here once this returns true, then in the my result I am going to store 4. Okay, this is going to my result. Okay, initially it was starting from 0, right? So now I have updated this to 4. Okay, then with 4 this is achievable. Then I will select with 5 this is achievable, with 6 this is achievable. Okay, I will check all these scenarios now. Maybe this is achievable. So what I will do, so since it is possible to achieve a score of at least 4, we update the binary search range. So I am just updating the binary search range. So result I am storing here. That's what I have stored here. And left is equal to mid plus 1. So now left is 5. Okay, so note this point carefully. My left is 5 now. Okay, left is equal to 5. 5 5 5. Okay, so second iteration of binary search. Now mid is equal to left plus right divided by 2. So here I will get this mid. Okay, so with this mid I can achieve my result. So same way, write your array 0 3 6. So first number I am going to select 0, and then after that I have to select 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. So I will see this 6 is achievable with this range 3 4 5. No, this is not achievable, right? So I am going to return false. So start with the first interval. Okay, for the second interval 3 5, we want to pick a number that is at least 0 plus 6 6, but 6 is outside the range 3 5, so it is not possible to achieve this score. The function returns false. Okay, since it is not possible to achieve a score of 5, we adjust the binary search range. So right is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, right is 5 now. So let's check with 5. Okay, so we will calculate mid is equal to 5. Okay, so with the 4 result is possible, I am getting output as 4. With 6 result is not possible. Now I am starting with 5. Okay, let's say. So now here write your array 0 3 6, right? So first we need to add 5 here. So I will see if this 5 is achievable this range. So 3 4 5, I can select a number. So yes, this is achievable. So after 0 I have chosen 5. Okay, then after this 5 I have to choose 10 now. But this 10 is not achievable in this 6. Okay, in this range I can select only 6 7 8, right? So for the second interval we want to pick a number that is at least 0 plus 5 5. The closest number we pick is 5, which is within a range. Okay, for the third interval 6 to 8, we need to pick a number that is at least 5 plus 5 10, but 10 is outside the range. Okay, that is not possible, so we are returning false. So since it is not possible to achieve a score of 5, we just the binary search range. So right is going to be minus 4. Okay, so right is 4 now. This is my right, and left was mid 5, right, last time. So here I have stored left now. So now see, my left is greater than my right? So the binary search ends. So, and the final result is 4, which is maximum possible score, right? So this is what I am doing here. So this is the code. Code is very simple if you understood the explanation. Okay, all that above stuff. So here left is 0, right we selecting, then the result. Okay, then I'm running this loop. Left is less than equal to right. So here what happens, here left becomes greater than right, so that's why I've stopped. But here once this is condition is true, then I am finding the mid. Okay, so first time my mid was 4, so I will just run this helper method if this is achievable. So here see, prev chosen 0 3 6. Okay, this is what I'm doing now. So here this is going to be my prev chosen, and then I'm running one loop starting from here, right? And the next chosen I am selecting prev chosen plus score is nothing but mid here. Okay, so 0 plus 4 4. Okay, so here start of I value is nothing but 3. Okay, so which is maximum. Next chosen is 4. Okay, so 4, I will say this 4 is greater than the start of I. In this I am just going to add. So if it is greater, 3 plus 2 is 5. So no, so that is why we are not returning false. Okay, if it is greater than, then we have to return false. Okay, so then my prev chosen is going to become my new chosen. Okay, so here this value will become my new prev chosen. Okay, so this is the same thing that we need to do. Once we do get this, then my result will be updated to 4, and then we have to check for the other range. Okay, left is going to become mid plus 1. Okay, so easy code, right? So easy, right? And this submission is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand the question number 2 of weekly contest 414. Okay, if you guys need the solution of any other weekly contest problems, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.